Hoda Hannaway here. Right, this is an egg and I'm Hoda Hannaway, and to celebrate World Egg Day, I'm taking this affordable staple ingredient and jazzing up my Fatteh bowl with a few extra little grocery items, all for under $10 for 2 people. Let's go. Throw some oil in a pan and brown your meat. You want to pound those garlic until they're nice and minced. Add them to the yogurt with a bit of tahini and salt and mix until combined. Add some vinegar to water, crack and poach your eggs for 4 minutes. Add toasted Lebanese bread, chickpeas, yogurt, mince on top, poached egg, season, yum. This Fatteh bowl with poached eggs not only looks amazing, it tastes sensational. To get this recipe and more, head over to australianeggs.org.au.